In this tutorial exercise, we'll show how easily Denodo can form union associations between views with like columns. Let's take a look at a base view that we created previously. Note the column names and the rows, of which there are 80. Now we're going to construct a delimited file view with additional client IDs, starting from 81 and going all the way up to 373. In this case, we're viewing a delimited file in Excel, returning to the Virtual Data Port Administration tool. We select New, Data Source, Delimited File. Give a name to our new data source. Specify, in this case, a local file and click Configure. Specify the path to the file and click OK. Indicate the column delimiter, in this case comma, and check the header box to indicate that there is a header row in the file. Click OK. Our data source has been created, and click Create Base View. Notice that Denodo gives a sample of the data found in the data source while creating the view. Click OK, and our added clients view has been created. Notice that only 150 rows are displayed in the Virtual Data Port Administration tool by default. If I uncheck the Limit Rows checkbox, I'll see all 293 of the return rows, from C81 to C373. Now if I right-click on Added Clients and say New Union, and double-click on my original client table from the JDBC source, you'll notice that Denodo automatically associates the columns together and reveals an Associations tab in the Output tab. I can name my union view All Clients and specify an order by condition. Click OK. And now my All Clients view can be exposed to any client, program, or user, and they will retrieve all the results for all the clients, even though they come from multiple sources. Some of these came from the database, and some came from the delimited file. But to the virtual database user, they all look like they came from one source. Click on View Execution Trace and see how Denodo constructed the union between the delimited file and the JDBC database source. And our Data Lineage button indicates that both tables are supplying information about all fields.